We're going to show you how to make an effective link from any website to your website. For newbies who don't know how to make a link, sometimes this information is helpful. What we're doing here also, sometimes when you're writing in a blog or some other resource where you don't have total control over the HTML, you can't paste a Buy Me button like we showed you in the earlier video. So your only choice is to paste a link so that the people can buy your product. We're going to go to Bubba's web store, the web showcase for Bubba. Now every 800 cart customer has a web showcase. If your login is Larry, your web showcase is at larry.800cart.com. If your login is My Company, then your web showcase is at mycompany.800cart.com. This fellow's login name is Bubba, so his web showcase is at bubba.800cart.com. And if this is a demo store for 800 cart, you don't have to have our logo here. This is for 800 cart, so we do have a logo. Your own logo would appear right here. You can set your text for any color you want, background color, anything you want, the background image you want. You can even post your style sheet and it's going to work. So the reason we're going here is we're going to navigate to get the actual web address. We're checking to make sure that what we think is the web address is the actual web address. So we're just going to copy the web address from right there, and we know we've got the right web address because we're actually on that page. So we're going to highlight that, hold down the Control key and tap the C key, and that copies the web address onto our clipboard. Now we're going to go back to the blog and finish making our blog entry. And there's two different ways that you can make a link. One is to type less than a space href equals, then a quote, and Control V to paste the web address that we just copied, and then close the quote, and then close the tag with a greater than sign. And the text that we want to be the link for right now, and I'm making a mistake here, is buy it now. And then we close the tag so the text that follows isn't also a link by going less than slash a greater than. That closes the link. Now we did make a mistake here. We'll go back and correct that in just a minute. Now most blogging software gives you another way to make a link, and I'll show you how to do that now. You would type in the text that you want to be the link and highlight the text that you want to be the link, and then click the link button. Click it. Again, I'm going to paste in the web address that I've confirmed really is a web page. Hold down the Control key, tap the V key. There we go. We have a hyperlink right there. Now we can check that by going to preview mode. There's the link. Click on it. And sure enough, it goes right to where we hoped it would go. Type in one, purchase, and there you go. It's in the shopping cart ready for checkout. Now, let's correct the mistake that I made. Here's the mistake that I made that you may not be aware of. Let's go back to where we can edit it. The mistake that I made was the text that I decided to make the link. When the search engines look at this blog page and they see that there's a link to your website or to your web showcase, they're going to use the text that's right here as the keywords to index that link. So buy it here is not really a good thing to say about when we have the opportunity to associate this link with keywords that we want people to search on and find our product. So it would be better if we made the link say BlackBerry World Phone, and then maybe even mention some of the features that the BlackBerry World Phone has with email and web browser. And that way, if somebody is searching for a phone that has email and a web browser, there's a very good chance that your page might come up, especially if you develop page authority in other ways. So either way we go, it's much better to have text for your link that actually describes what they're going to find if they follow that link, as opposed to click here or buy it now. So now we're going to go ahead and save the blog post. And there it is. Now it's a permanent blog post. Where can you buy the BlackBerry phone we've been discussing? I have it now in stock. And there you go. Follow the link. And that's where they can buy the phone.